Can anyone tell me what this is in my hand? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you just said pigeon peas, you are correct. This is pigeon peas, commonly called gungu peas in Jamaica. Growing up as a child, I remember that we would have gungu rice and peas mostly at Christmas time. Yes, that was the time when pigeon peas would be harvested, like December, January. So our parents would get the pigeon peas and they would give it to us for us to shell it out. I in particular did not like it because you know what this gungu peas does to your fingers? Oh my goodness. It makes it so black, sticky and gooey. So I didn't like it unless it was dry. If they are dry guys like these, they are much easier to shell out. But even though we didn't like doing it, we still have to do it. We just have to do it. No questions asked. It's not like nowadays when we have things to do and we're gonna ask our kids, oh, can you do this or can you do that? No questions asked. We were just ordered to do things and we have to do it, or else the belt or the strap would be talking to our behinds. Yes, would be talking to our behinds. So guys, I am here harvesting my pigeon peas, and another thought just came to me, and I remembered about 3 years ago rather, when I was working at a school, and I was talking about the area that I came from, and a colleague of mine, you know, he was inquiring about some of the stuff that we grow here in the Glades area, and I told him he's also from a Caribbean island, and he mentioned that he has some gungu peas, and I'm like, bring me some seeds, because ever since I was in Jamaica, I was always trying to plant something. They were not as successful as these because the soil there, you know, where I was living, the soil wasn't that good. And I didn't even think about buying soil to plant anything. I just, you know, would just dig up the ground and just throw something in. And if it grows, it grows. And if it dies, that's it. Rest in peace. So anyways, I got the pigeon peas seeds from my colleague, and I planted a few of them, and these two plants here were the sole survivors, and they are going 3 years into 4 years now. I have harvested a lot of pigeon peas from them, and it seems as if they're about to die. So what I am actually doing now, I am trying to get some more seeds to start new plants, which I have already done. I got a few already. So I have one pigeon pea plant here. I have a, oh, this one is drying up. Maybe it needs some water. I have to water that one. And I have one here and another one here, and I have a few of them coming up here and there. The ones in the barrels here, I am going to train them to the height of my fence, that they will not be as tall as the ones down there, so it is hard for me to reach, because I believe that the reason why this plant is dying is because of the fact that we actually have to take out the top of it. It was so tall I couldn't reach the top to get the peas, and I have to, you know, take it out. So now this is what is left of it. Now back to what I was talking about, guys. So all it takes for us guys to start growing our own food is just a few seeds. either 1 seed, 2 seeds, 3 seeds, because out of a few seeds you can have mass production of whatever vegetable or food that you decide to grow. These 3 seeds, trust me, this can be the beginning of your lifelong business. Something, I don't know. I honestly don't know where the Lord is leading me with my backyard garden, but I'm just going with the flow right now, just growing my own food. But I just want to encourage somebody today. Go and get yourself some seeds. Doesn't necessarily have to be pigeon pea seeds. It can be pepper seeds, cucumber seeds, green onion seeds, whatever vegetable you prefer, anything that you like. And sometimes even if you do not like them, you can actually grow them and share them with your family and friends. Yeah, so guys, my encouragement to you today, conclusion of this whole matter, just go and start your vegetable garden. Somebody told me recently that there's going to be a food shortage. I laugh. I laugh because I know the God whom I serve. Even if there is a food shortage, there is always a way that the Lord is providing for us. And I know that what I'm doing here is not just for myself. I can share with family and friends, because as the Bible says, Paul plant, Apollos water, God give it increase. When my colleague gave me these seeds, I planted it and watered it. God give me the increase. Now I am harvesting and I can share with somebody. So go ahead guys, get some seeds today. Start growing. Start growing. Growing, 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 and go on. Okay, so just go ahead and start something today. Yeah, I have to put this camera down now because it's almost dark and I cannot harvest these peas with my one hand. I can't do it, and I just keep going around in circles. So you know what, I am going to put this camera down guys, and I'm going to grab the top of this plant, and when I am done picking these, guess what I'm going to do? I am going to give this plant a trim, a proper trim, so the next time I come out, if there's any peas on it, I don't have to be pulling the plant down. All right guys, so thank you again for watching my videos, and if this is your first time joining me, please remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, that whenever I upload a video, you will be privileged to be a part of it. All right, so ciao, see you soon in another video. It's getting dark, it's getting dark, it's getting dark.